By 9 o'clock.
Traxxas 4x4. This is it's not mine, and I am so envy of this guy right here. This is the owner.
These are the drool marks from Rob.
The drool marks from me. We had to wipe off and made mud. It was pretty funny. And this is Gillentine right here, driving my Slash. Got rid of those split six bow tie, or what do you know? I just can't stand those tires. So I put my old tires back on. The orange car, that is. This here's a 4x4. I'm just gonna do some laps, kind of follow it around as I pick up everybody else's car as usual. Pass this guy. It's gonna, you'll hear the background and all. That's all they do. Oh, now one thing with the 4x I totally see is that all four wheels moving, and you like, I have to hit my brakes with my two-wheel drive in the air, so they point the front end down. These ones you cannot. You totally have to kind of watch, round the gas off, so that way you can land level. Because if you hit the brake in the air with these 4xs, they just do a front flip. So I'll tell you, it's like pulls to the turns. We have this one with what battery do we have in here? Oh, we have a 46 6L. It's not a max battery, but it's pretty fast. Little braking. The brakes are incredible. Well, once again, oh, I cleared the triple. You hear that, guy? Sorry, Ron, I'm in the way, huh? Oh, this thing's great. Oh, I had to. It was pointed up. That worked out pretty good, but big slam. That was a knack. This is the other Traxxas. And you've seen it before. It's out there. Ron's driving it. Wave, Ron. Yeah, now watch him go.
Go, Ron, go! Hey, Ron!
He'll hit something right now. Watch, check this out. Here he goes. This is where he gets stuck. Oh, no way. That was butter, man. I got in the way, of course. All right, back to the 4x. Woo, joggy. Oh, no. I like the reverse. That's cool. It's so different from my two-wheel drive. Look at that. Just it has, you know, it's pretty stock, pretty much. You got it yesterday. Let me drive it. Oh, that was sweet. Oh, that was nice too. Oh, that's not good. Doesn't kill it. We'll have to stiffen up the oil, that's for sure, or to thicken the oil. It's got some stock, you know, issues here. Holy moly. Yep. The Slash. See, I just hit the brake. Damn. I barely hit the brake and it goes over the nose. You know, the ass comes up over and kisses it. Kisses the front end, that's what I was trying to say. Battery's done. So that is my introduction of the Slash 4x. How about you guys? Hey. Hey. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I got new friends. Here they are. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Just thought we'd be corny for you, all right? Thank you. How much time do we have? Go drive, Ron. I'll follow your car. Still got some minutes, you know, here on YouTube. Here, I'll take this back to you.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! That was nice, dude. I'll be back. I'm going filming. Filming.
Right, go filming.
This is a pretty unique day here, guys. And I'm talking to the camera, so you don't have to answer. That's my little T4. Well, which was once the T4. This is Ron's little car here. Do you hear me? Got stuck. And let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's Jim Clark here, man. He's got his new Slash 4x4. And it's pretty cool. He's gotten better at driving already. So we'll go back to this track here and check out Ron. My neighbors. Oh! Nice. Yeah, I'm stuck. The pit. They're all starting out. It's just having a ball. 3 more minutes. And he's up. See? And he just threw the arm up thing. I'll get it. And the helping hand is still present. I'll get it. Got some winds coming out. It's supposed to rain tonight. Track is really nice. I'm going to woods today. That's it. Just died. Battery's done. All right. Woo! Yeah, you know, running around chasing cars, I feel like I went on a marathon. God damn. Oh, sorry guys. Gosh darn.
Oh, phooey.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be my choice of words. Well, maybe not exactly those words, but if I had words, those would be my words. Except for, like, if I said something different. Yeah. Which in that case, it really would be different. Not the same as you.
Collect those boys and go up top.